With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so we have question given. A red card is drawn at a random from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. So we need to find the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen and a two-faced card. Okay, so coming to the solution, we know that there are 26 red cards, including 2 red queens. Okay, now besides of those 2 red queens, we have 2 more queens with that also. So along with 2 more queens, along with these 26 cards, we have total cards as 26 plus 2 will be 28. So we need to find the probability of neither getting a red card nor a queen. So we will find the alternative probability, which is probability of getting a red card and a queen. Okay, or a queen. So it will be total number of red cards or a queen will be 28, and in a deck we have 52 total number of cards. So this will be the probability for getting a red card or a queen. Now we need to find the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen. So we will minus this probability from 1. So probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen will be 1 minus this probability, which is 28 upon 52. So the solution will be 1 minus 28 upon 52, and after solving it we will get 24 upon 52, which will be equals to 6 upon 13, which is required answer for the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.